In this tutorial, I'll show you how to borrow money from Lloyds Bank. Firstly, you need to choose your application method. Apply online through Lloyds 24-hour digital services or by phone using Lloyds' customer support. Loan amount required and loan them, while property details you need to provide including value and purpose of the loan, your income and financial situation. Now, Lloyds will assess your application. They'll check your creditworthiness and loan security. Then you might be asked for additional documents. If approved, Lloyds will provide you with a loan agreement. You need to review the interest rate and repayment terms, then sign in to the contract. Once everything is finalized, funds will be transferred immediately to your account. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.